For the second time this year, a rare North Korean missile alert in Japan, triggered by a presumed long-range ballistic missile fired from Pyongyang, disappearing from radar just before reaching Japanese airspace, one of several missiles test-fired by North Korea Thursday morning local time, possibly to demonstrate its tactical nuclear strike capability against South Korea, Japan, and Guam. In South Korea, where North Korean nuclear threats often feel like background noise, this startling sound.
공개가 됐습니다. 경찰에 112 신고가 6시 때부터 시작이 됐죠. 잠시만요. 지금
The first air raid sirens in 6 years, urging Ulungdo residents to seek shelter in underground bunkers. A North Korean missile came dangerously close to the island, crossing the northern limit line, a de facto maritime buffer zone between the north and the south. Pyongyang never officially recognized that line. Until Wednesday, they never fired a missile over it either. South Korean President Yoon Suk-yeol holding to his hawkish stance on North Korea, calling the launch an effective territorial invasion. The missile actually fell just shy of the South's territorial waters. He infuriated North Korea this week, forging ahead with Operation Vigilant Storm, South Korea's largest combined military air drills with the U.S., 5 days of war games, 240 aircraft, thousands of service members from both countries. Pyongyang's foreign ministry promising powerful follow-up measures. For the Korean Peninsula, a day of unnerving firsts. The first time North Korea launched at least 23 missiles in a single day, skyrocketing tensions to levels unseen in half a decade. The first time South Korea and the U.S. responded by firing surface-to-air missiles near the North's territorial waters. CNN counts 30 North Korean missile launch events this year, including this week's unprecedented barrage. Japan strongly condemning the latest launches, calling the blitz utterly unacceptable, violating UN Security Council resolutions at an unprecedentedly high frequency. Tokyo's solemn protest via diplomatic channels in Beijing apparently falling on deaf ears. China and Russia have veto power at the UN Security Council, both in no mood to work with the West on punishing Pyongyang as they bolster their authoritarian alliance. Raising fears, North Korea's 7th underground nuclear test could be next. Will Ripley, CNN, Seoul.